Nick and Talik X. There are there are 3 new people today joining us in our videos now from now on. What's your code name? Okay, let's get the rest. So they're riding their bikes. Mine was broke, mine broke. We're just going around this church, going around everywhere. And I'm catching up to them by running. It's like dragging me around. Yeah. Heard all about it. So we're just going around farther than we've ever been before. I'm making sure 3 new people join the Lower Wars. I hope they subscribe to join. Guys, wait up! These videos are epic. We've had a street fight video too. I can't! You're gonna have to wait for me. You're gonna run? Who? Alright, I can hold my bowl. I know how to ride a bike. Where? Oh my God! What the? Damn, I thought that was a lot. Move! Oh, he's just trying.
His eye's missing.
Damn. That's because he's dead.
Okay, I'm gonna take a close-up look.
This is a dead squirrel.
Or dead beaver.
I know.
Oh my God, I zoomed up. Look at this, look at this.
So we're making a video on L Wars. We got 3 new people in addition to the team. And if you like watching a dead beaver on the floor, smash your dead beaver into the subscribe button. Just take your dead beaver and smash it into the subscribe button.
That's just gross. Let me pick this one up, smash it.
That's all we want from
I
you.
think we're gonna say bye. Have a great day. Leave a like, subscribe, bye.